Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about how to recover your Gmail account. So if you're gonna use it without code or password and phone number. So one of these things are actually gonna work for you, but you just don't know how. Because without any of those key features, you won't be able to recover your account and it's pretty much pointless. So here we are in Google Account Help Center, and to recover your Google account is pretty simple. You will have to be using your Gmail account already, and right here the first thing you will have to do is press the forgot your password option and follow the steps to recover your Google account or Gmail. So let's open that up right there, and if you have any trouble, there's also a tip right here to complete account recovery. So resetting your account when prompted, you have to choose a true strong password that you already haven't chosen before, and it's pretty simple. So if you forget the email address you used to sign in, it's pretty much harder. You can use your phone number to recover your email, but if you don't have your phone number, you will have to use the full name of your account. So you will have to follow those instructions. So here in account recovery, you will have to place your email, of course. So if you don't have that right here, you can do forgot email. So we're gonna go test12@gmail.com to just try it out because we really don't know the password of this. So once you've done that, it's gonna ask you to do a recapture right here. So I'm gonna do that right now. And then it's confirming I'm not a robot. Next. From there, we want to enter the last password that we know. So if you don't know your password, of course, we're going to try another way right here. And once we have done that, there's the only thing that it will say right here is you can't recover your account at this time because Google doesn't have enough info to be sure this account is yours. And there you go. So this is a precautionary measure that Google does to keep accounts safe, of course, from hackers and scammers. Because without your last password or without a code or a phone number, it's pretty much pointless and you can't really sign in, and you would have to make your new Google account, or you can go to the help right here, the help desk, and you can talk to a live person, and we have a video on that too on how to do that. And that's the only thing you can do to recover your Gmail account basically. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.